Hey there, your rental boat won't start? Don't stress. Here's a few simple steps to look at to get you back on the water. Step 1, drop the anchor. If you're drifting and think there's any chance you could float into the shoreline, throw your anchor immediately. This keeps you safe and prevents the boat from running aground. Step 2, does any of the electrical accessories work on the boat? If nothing is working, you may need to check the main battery switch. Your battery switch is located under the rear corner seat on our Tri-Tunes. Make sure it is in the on position, which is the green. Make sure your shifter is neutral. A boat left in gear will not start. Gently move the throttle back and forth to ensure it's fully centered in the neutral position. Check the kill switch lanyard. Has the red kill switch lanyard been pulled out? If so, reattach it securely and then try turning the engine over again. Still not starting? No problem. Just call the marina office at 918-288-2332. Please stay with the boat, stay calm, and we will be there shortly. Do not try to swim it back. Your safety is our priority.